Look at this. There are 6,128 members in my trading group, and we're killing it. Got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. Right now, if you go to the website, cryptorev.net, pay with cryptocurrency, you get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or if you pay for the year. With the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, there is a monthly credit card option. If you look in the description of this video, there's a link to take you directly to the website. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin giveaway winner. Congratulations to Sawyer N. $500 in Bitcoin sent this morning. Huge. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. $500 Bitcoin giveaway in 6 days. This is a Bitcoin weekly chart. Important that this weekly support level holds for the bulls. We zoom in to some of the lower term time frames to get a better idea what Bitcoin's doing. This is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Bitcoin formed a higher low, but a lower high. And so you've got this price compression idea coming in where there's a triangle forming, right? And so we're looking for a big move towards the apex of this triangle. All right, break to the upside. I mean, there's overhead resistance, but the bulls want to get to 40,000. Starts right here, right? This resistance level has to break. Price compression is getting squeezed. Looking for a move out of Bitcoin. This is a 1-hour chart, and you can see a series of higher highs and higher lows, and then it changed. Now, this higher low, the price action is riding right here on this lower trend line. If this breaks to the downside, you're looking at some downside numbers, downside targets down here, 32,000, 31,000, 30,000, okay? Again, the bulls show up and push this price through this $36,000 resistance overhead. You're going to see 37, 38, 39, $40,000 Bitcoin, right? So get ready. Have a plan in place right now. Write it down. Here's what I'm going to do. Here's how I'm going to react with a Bitcoin pullback. We've had some amazing support bounces down here around 30,000 that have led to some midterm upside. Things change completely with a breakout to the upside of this overhead resistance. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he said, a friend of mine quit his job to trade full time and he's in your trading group. Shout out to Anton Boats. He said, I've helped him make life-changing money. That's what it's all about, right? We're in crypto. This person, she made $1.65 million Canadian in profit. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. This is sushi. DeFi coins have been pumping. 47% profits out of sushi. Comp, 115% profits. This is cake. I gave you guys this yesterday. We're going to talk about it in a second. 12% gains out of cake. I gave it to you on YouTube. This is 1-inch. Rounded bottoms pay the bills. We're back. Rounded bottoms are back, baby. 14% profits. The total USD value locked in DeFi has been climbing. So July 2020, it was only 2.2 billion. July 2021, $57 billion. I mean, it's been epic for these DeFi coins. Now, this is Bitcoin CME futures. So we had this gap got filled. And sometimes you can cross-reference Bitcoin CME futures chart with current Bitcoin spot chart. for some clarity. But still here, you've got this rising channel, 68% chance this breaks to the downside. Keep in mind, like, the bulls have to show up and hold this. A lot of people have kind of just faded away from this market. They're really short-sighted. New people come into crypto and they want to get rich tomorrow, and I get it. It's probably what brought most of us here. Life-changing money in a day. However, it doesn't quite work like that. We know this. This is when the internet was being talked about in 2000, December 5th, 2000. The internet may be just a passing fad as millions give up on it. Remember this whenever you think about Bitcoin, right? This thing, I'm telling you, when the market takes off again, they're going to FOMO right back in, potentially buying the Bitcoins that they sold at higher prices. Emotions, fear, and greed will destroy your trading strategy. So I posted this, focus on DeFi altcoins. They're cycling higher right now. Someone came out and said, no one else is telling us to do this. And the fastest way to increase your success in this market is to understand the market cycles, how the money flows. You have to follow the money flow. You have to experience it really to understand how things work. Like I can tell you how this works, but until you go through a couple market cycles and see these things for yourself, like, there's clear, easy ways to understand where the market's flowing. And we're going to talk about that in this video. Over time, you'll become very successful if you accept profits come in bunches all at one time. You find a strategy that works, you ride it until the market changes, then you shift to the next strategy. Example, Bitcoin had huge pullback, right? So I'm sitting on the sidelines with tons of tether, and I'm buying these oversold bounces, all right? That's my trading strategy for when Bitcoin drops. Altcoins are cycling higher now. The focus on altcoins that are moving is DeFi. Ethereum is really strong. NFTs are strong too. If Bitcoin starts running and Bitcoin dominance starts trending higher, I want to focus on Bitcoin because it will outpace the altcoins, right? So just understand, like, there's a specific strategy that has to take place depending on what the market's doing. As an example, look at Binance, 46%. 40%, 32%, 26%, 20%, 20%, 21%, 19, 17, 16, 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 12, 11, 10, 10, 10. Pages of double-digit gainers. And if you look, DeFi and NFTs are booming. I talked to you guys about this. Yeah, look at this video right here. Altcoins show strength. Nobody wanted to hear this. 9,800 views. Like, people don't see this. They don't understand this idea. It's all about doing things that the herd doesn't see or understand. For this to really play out and continue to happen, we want Bitcoin to just do nothing. If it stays and respects this triangle, right, the altcoins will continue to take off. I mean, altcoin, this breaks higher, it's going to drag the USDT pairs and everything's golden. Until you get a major move out of Bitcoin, these altcoins, it's where the money's at. This is DeFi perp. If we look back at June the 26th, and I started talking to you about this right about here. DeFi, this is DeFi perp. It's 25 DeFi coins. They're up collectively 54% in 10 days. And what's Bitcoin doing? Anyone? Nothing. So you have to move and shift your focus to where the money is flowing. And so DeFi coins have been hot. Just to understand my success rate with this DeFi perp idea, like, we nailed this last DeFi altcoin season. And this was, I mean, DeFi was all the way down here. Let me just zoom out real quick. We nailed this move here. Altcoins, DeFi altcoins, on average, 800% gains. 800% gains. Here we are, nowhere near 800% gains. But we've seen 50% gains, which is very respectable. I mean, we've seen huge gains in these DeFi coins, and so you have to understand how this idea works. Altcoin seasons happen, and again, this is just mini altcoin season, right? 50% gains. And change the way your portfolio looks completely. If Bitcoin pulls back 50% and you recover and then put it together with another mini altcoin season, which happened here, right? This is a strategy that you use to recover your losses. This is not wait on Bitcoin to make something happen. You know what whales do? They move to another market because there's a bullish market out there. When altcoins are moving lower and trending lower in crypto markets, they just go trade something else. S&P 500, stocks, Forex. When I say whales, I'm talking about institutions, smart money. They don't get stuck in one market. Now, there's bounce ideas here on Bitcoin dominance, but we talked about how this is trending lower, and this is the on-off switch. This has been amazing for altcoins, right? Little mini altcoin season when this trends lower. Last altcoin season, look, it was all this downside, altcoins were pumping crazy. Everything changed right here. We go look back and look at this May 18th date for Bitcoin. So you had Bitcoin dominance pumping and the price of Bitcoin collapsing. Altcoins got completely destroyed. Yesterday, I talked to you guys about this, how rising wedges, when they break higher, you get parabolic price action, right? This was Aave, BTC. If we look at Aave today, so it was up 63% yesterday, and now it ran all the way up here, and it was up another 17% in a day. Look, here's Cake. I gave you guys the setup. We're looking for a retest of support. As soon as I posted this video, boom, Cake, 12% gains in a day. I mean, you put 12% gains together a couple days in a row, they add double-digit gainers. This is Lena, BTC. Rounded bottoms, pay the bills. It was already up 37%. 37%. Well, now it's up 70%. These altcoins get decimated. Look, they get destroyed, and then they pump crazy as soon as Bitcoin does nothing. And so I just really want to plant the seed with you guys. Like, there is always a strategy that will make you very successful in this market. You just have to understand how to identify them. In the same sense, you can't always have to be in a trade, right? It's okay to sit on the sidelines. It's okay to wait. I mean, potentially some people, trade with leverage or they short the market. That's always an option. We trade a lot of the down tokens on Binance, low leverage tokens. Those are also on Kucoin. Aave is going to launch permission deployment for institutions in July. This is huge for DeFi. Because there's extensive demand for various institutions, Aave's permission deployment will go live this month. This is part of the next steps in institutional DeFi. Can you just imagine? Huge. So Aave Pro is going to use audited version 2 smart contracts. Aave Pro liquidity pool is going to consist of 4 assets: Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, and Aave. So again, just think what's this going to do to the price of Aave if it's used for liquidity here, right? And so keep an eye on Aave. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.